Okay.
Get careful for medicine.
Whose medicine?
Mackenzie.
What y'all have?
Baked potatoes.
She did.
From where?
First we tried to go to.
Bodacious.
First we went to Chicken Express. She did. She wouldn't tell us she wanted anything. She needed to talk to us. So then we went to the barbecue place. She still wouldn't talk to us. So when I said, "Do you need a Sprite or something?" she goes. And then she talked to me.
But she didn't eat.
She didn't eat yet. What's that?
What is it? What?
No, there ain't nothing in there.
This is from Michael. This don't have nothing to do with Christmas. Or
Get that animal out of here. Get that animal out of here. Get that animal out of here.
he can't even see it. There's no lights over there. I can't see him. Yeah.